My name is Michelle Corsi. I'm a realtor with Howard Hanna. I'm a mom and I work full-time. So as a realtor, I come across contractors all the time. So floor care specialists, carpet cleaners, epoxy, and I hear the good, the bad, and the ugly. And everyone I've referred Dave to has really been satisfied. He, does a great job, and I've had to, talk to him and ask questions about repairing other people's poor work in the past. So, but yeah, I definitely refer him to all of my buyers and sellers when they're either moving into a new home or selling a home to prep it so it looks great for new buyers. So Belview has done quite a few things at my home. We have them come yearly for carpet cleanings just because we have kids and a dog and everything else. I tried to do my own carpets with one of those like at-home, Bissell cleaners, and then Dave came and did them, and I realized that my own job didn't even touch the dirt. The office staff is great. They get back to you promptly. I'm actually able to speak with Dave quite a bit directly on a lot of projects, and the office staff has always been really helpful and accommodating. I just think Belview is great because they have a high level of service, they're detail-oriented, they're punctual. That's really important. There's not many contractors out there who are punctual. And basically Dave, he does what he says he's gonna do, and he does it well. You do get what you pay for, yeah. And his costs are very reasonable. I find his costs very competitive compared to other contractors, but you get a higher level of service, I feel like, with Belview.